Alright, so we've just got mission. It will be night time. There will be hostages. It needs to be hardcore, and the enemies will surrender. Okay. So when we spawn in, we'll either go that side, or we'll meet in the middle, alright? We will go in this side, clear this middle bit, and then move down here, okay? And then breach either through the bottom and up, okay? This is the guy we need. Mr. J.E. His hard drive has some not very nice stuff on it. So we need to take it and then destroy it after, okay? We will eliminate him and take his key. And then we will slowly eliminate everyone, okay?
Unless he surrenders.
This will be a very serious mission, and then there's a lot on the line. Make sure you have a suppressor on.
I will turn it on, yeah, I will.
Alright, everyone ready?
Yep. Straight to speed and silence.
Right,
Straight speed and silence.
Yep.
Nods.
Alright, nods on then.
Nods on, boys. Set them to green.
So we're going to go around the left side this time.
Yeah,
Now,
yeah.
we only use our comms for important stuff, right?
If you need to call something,
we're far
there
away,
shouldn't be a need for comms.
Yep. We need to start using it, because if we're too far apart, we can't speak. We need to speak to each other.
Heads up.
I'm going to
Eyes
bring
open.
9 bangs.
Let's go.
You bring heals. You bring something else. I'm going to
I'm
bring
healer.
4 9 bangs.
Yeah.
Well, since I'm breacher, may as well go breach charges.
Talk as less as you can so they won't hear us.
No, like if we're, let's say, pushing in and that, we need to talk about breaching, but nothing about random, right? Let's get this mission. Let me go ahead.
Only the important
I'll be
stuff.
front. Yep.
Yeah.
I'm waiting at this wall for you.
Yep.
You ready? Say tap tap.
Wait, we can use hand gestures as well. If you know how to, I'll squeeze your shoulder. Wait, get it.
Got yours?
Let's go.
Go.
Move, I'm on your shoulder.
We got a patrol on my 12.
Be quiet. Yeah, be quiet. Move slowly. He hasn't seen us. Stay against the wall,
Stop.
Clear the courtyard to our right. Clear right, I'll hold ahead.
Right square.
I want to move around to the front.
Alright, we'll move
Clear.
in front. There's a patrol up front.
Yep, get down.
There's two. I'm on the very right side. Careful, I'll take one
quiet.
shot.
Take it down and then head left. Man down.
So,
And then head left. When you get him, come my side.
Yep.
I ain't been seen yet.
Alright, are you on the left side?
Come to me, move to me.
We got a man down. Like he's proper down, not revivable.
And wait for him.
Taking a knee.
Yep, contact. Alright, we got the other guy. Hold on. Alright, so what we're gonna do is in quiet, we're gonna move down there and try not to be seen. We might need to go full black next mission, but we should be alright for now. We're gonna head down there.
I'll follow you lead when ready.
Go.
Tap, tap.
Move. We're gonna go down to the bottom. Watch the windows. Hug the wall.
I'll clear right.
Yeah, you clear right.
Quiet. Take him outside.
Clear slow as
Take him
well.
outside. Now hold.
Hold
Hold against the wall.
time on our hands. A little bit.
I'm gonna slowly peek. Yep. Left side. Clear. Yep.
I'm
We got
gonna
a room
start
to our
climbing.
right. We got start at the garage. Swinging in. Clear. Well, watch the windows. Get down. windows. There could be someone in there.
Man down up the ramp, he came running. He's down now.
Yep. Move into town.
I have eyes on the computer.
On my right, we're gonna head into. Not yet. Wait, you have a computer? Copy.
I'm gonna move into this room without you guys.
Alright, be careful. I'll stay down here with him.
On me. Then make your way to me. Hard drive, hard drive, hard drive. Cover.
Just one it. Wait, he shut the door. He's probably gonna open it.
I got hard drive. Where's computer? Where's computer?
We got the hard drive.
Where's computer? Make your way. Where's computer? Go.
Get up to me, boys. Boys, you're going the wrong way.
Yeah, we're gonna...
Down, up the pipe. I've got the
Copy.
computer. All doors are closed.
Moving. Bro, I can't get over.
Crouch.
Oh my god, bro, I can't climb in this game.
You gotta crouch.
Genuinely, it's cheeks. Bro, I just...
Made it into the room. Hard drive being uploaded.
Get down, everyone down. On me, hold. Never leave, don't leave map behind. Careful on your right.
I got right side.
Everyone, hold.
They know we're here now, so just calm.
Oi, Donkey, to the right of you, I just saw a hostile to the right of you.
Alright. I'm just gonna hold it down, we're gonna leave through the window.
Yeah, I'm behind you there. Yep.
Boys, we all alive?
No, we got man down.
Alright, there's gonna be a flush of enemies probably coming through there.
Hold it, what are you doing?
It's done. Boys, it's done. Guys, it's done, we can leave.
Bravo 6. It's done.
Yeah.
Get the hard drive. We're jumping out the window.
Alright, I got it.
Can we do that?
Yeah, you can jump.
Nope. How?
You gotta hold the side and then jump over.
Move exfil. We're moving to exfil now. Not on the line, boy. Let's get this. We can go home. After this, we can go home. Go on home. Full auto, boys. Go, move. Quick. No time to waste.
I'm guessing he's dead. Alright, I'll start exfil when you're ready. Are you ready for exfil? I'm starting it up. I'm just gonna cover you 6, alright?
Nice.
Lasers are on light.
Mission failed. Pull back. Now.
That was pretty good.
It was good for the like first 10 seconds, and then at the last second it became a little worse. Wait, where did IDK go?
I don't know.
I'm guessing he's playing Pavlok, so I'm gonna leave, brother, alright? We're probably gonna play tomorrow,
Okay.
run all this again. You go enjoy the
Yeah.
rest of your night, alright?
Alright, peace out. It's
Peace out.
daytime for me, but